Do you hate slimy oatmeal? Try making baked instead. You and your kids will love it. Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Remember those days of being forced to eat slimy oatmeal as a kid? I sure wish they had this baked oatmeal recipe back then because I would have been happy to eat it. In this video, we'll show you how to make baked oatmeal. It's pretty easy to make. Baked oatmeal has about as much sugar per serving as cold cereals like Wheat Jacks or Honey Bunches of Oats. So let's get started. First of all, find a large bowl. Put in 1½ cups of quick oats. Add 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then stir. Next, add a cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1 egg. I also added 1/3 cup of chopped apples to this. I'll leave a copy of this recipe in the description box below. You can also put in other things in place of the apples like berries or nuts, etc. Or you can just make it without any mix-ins. Stir your batter. Next, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Get out a square pan and grease it well. If you don't have a square pan, you can try using a pie pan or 2 bread pans, but I prefer the square pan. Put your batter into the pan and spread it evenly. Bake it at 350 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes. Depending on how hot your oven cooks. When it's done, let it cool slightly. You can cut it into squares or it can be broken up and eaten with a spoon. You can refrigerate the leftovers for a couple of days or you can freeze them to eat at a later date. I hope you'll try making some. If you have kids, they will thank you. Leave a comment below and let me know if you like slimy oatmeal or baked oatmeal better. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.